Hello friends, this is Umesh Mali. Welcome to my channel, An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn a smart use of double click in Excel calculations. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you, but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. So guys, let's understand how to use a double click function in a smarter way. So let's see how to do this. So guys, on the screen you can see the name of some cities like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and Kolkata. Now let's consider I have some offices at Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and Kolkata. Actually, please don't take it seriously because I don't have any office in Mumbai, Pune. But just consider for learning that I have some offices at Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and Kolkata. And here is the sales data. Now I have to mention the serial number here and I have to mention a total here. So total I will give some formula sum and addition of the cells. So likewise, now I want to apply the formula to each and every cell where my data is present. So now what I have to do, I will drag it like this and then I will fill the series. Now I want to copy the formula here and I will drag it like this and I will fill the series like this. But this method is bit time taking. Rather than we can use some simple techniques. Just simply go to this cell, find that plus mark, just simply say and fill the series. Just simply find a plus mark and just double click here. So here is your result. So guys, this is the simplest way to do this task. So guys, please keep supporting and keep sharing our videos to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.